have something for Mommy to open today.
Ooh, and today is Christmas and the boys got me a special gift and I want to share it with you guys. Let's see what we got. Ready? Ah!
It's the Barbie kitchen.
It's the Pioneer Woman Barbie with the whole kitchen. And this is a Walmart exclusive. And I've been wanting this for a while. And when I was gonna get it for myself, it was sold out. But my boys, all my boys, thanks to my husband, got it for me for Christmas. And I can't wait to play with it. So even though I have 3 boys, my boys actually do enjoy playing with Barbies with me. And they use my Barbies that when I was little that I still have. So we play with those, right? But now we have a new set to play with.
And this can be the mommy.
And she bakes and cooks just like mommy. Do you guys like baking and cooking with mom?
Yes.
So this is gonna be fun because now we can pretend, right?
Yeah.
So I guess this is modeled after the Pioneer Woman. She lives on a ranch, so definitely love the cowboy boots. And she's a redhead, so definitely.
That's cool. And there's the kitchen. Oh,
This is the kitchen.
I'm so excited.
I haven't had a new Barbie since I was little, so I'm excited about this. Look at that.
Yeah, that's where the pizza goes.
Where the pizza goes. Cool, so it actually does spin. Let's do it properly.
Look at this cup.
Boys, they just want to destroy everything right away.
Mommy, look at these. Mommy, look at this.
And here it is, all set up. I'm ready to make some cakes and cupcakes. And then we got pies, little things, and cookies and cupcakes. And then in the fridge. You wanna cook? Yes, let's make some cake. So this is not an unboxing toy channel, but I just had to show you guys this because I love Barbie and I love the Pioneer Woman, and this is amazing. Hope you like this video, so please hit the like button and check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Merry Christmas, everyone.